I want to show you guys how to replace Christmas lights that have burnt out on your Christmas tree. So I just bought these from Mutter. I am including a link in the description, but what you're going to want to do is actually take the light out of this part, and this just pops out. It may take a little bit of effort to pull this out, but what you do is straighten these little prongs on the end. They're originally folded down, so see how they're kind of straightened out? I'll zoom in a little bit later in the video, and this just pops on out. So the light bulb pops out, and then you take the new one, it goes right back in the same way this came out. And a lot of times the prongs are kind of tangled in each other. You don't want that. You want them separated like this. Now, once they're separated like in the picture here, they just go through the two little end holes. See how they're going through the end holes here? And you just want to, you don't want to push it too hard, but push it enough to where they look like this. And then you're going to bend them down like I'm doing. So bend them towards the side that they came out of. Now, I like to just get the bulbs, because sometimes when you get them, when it's the combo, they're not going to fit back in the holder correctly, and they're not actually going to work. So this is a closer up view of what I did in front of the Christmas tree, in case this is a little bit easier to see. So the light just kind of goes in, the two prongs come out the back. You don't want those touching when you put them back in the little Christmas tree slot. And then we're going to go ahead and put it back in. There's really only one way it'll fit back in, but you can kind of look in and see where the little contacts are in the back to get it correct. So as you can see, this turned on and we're good to go. So I hope this video helped, guys, and I am including a link. Like I said, these are the Mutter brand, I think, on Amazon. And I'm including a link, and like I said, these are just the bulbs. You can buy the bulbs with the little green tip, but those sometimes are a little bit loose.